kick. Hey.
And it's your pretty lady.
That means you some true competition.
Everybody shake your baby.
Why not? Hi everyone, this is why not. It's been a minute. I hadn't seen y'all in a minute. Y'all hadn't seen me in a minute. But I'm happy to be here with you today. And we're actually starting off, Tyra was out of school today, but they were given the SAT. So she came to school to take the SAT, and then we're going to hit the road to go to Charlotte to get ready to take off for Florida. So we're going to be videoing along the way. So please remember to like this video, subscribe to my channel, hit that bell so you can have a notification every time that I post. Please also share it with everyone so my channel can grow, and go over to Tyra's Big World of Flavor. Do the same for her. And why not? Come along with us as we do much. Hey! Alright y'all, we made it here. Yes, we're here. We came early to stay over since we have to leave so early. But we're actually in True Hotel. This is my first time. This is my first time staying here. One room, in my opinion. See, this is the doorway. You walk in the doorway, and this is what y'all have. How many of y'all remember this? When you drop your kids off. Or when you were there, the little desk right there. Yep, this is where we're staying. Because we leave early in the morning. So we'll be vlogging there as well. So y'all come along with us. And remember to subscribe, like, share. Go over to Tyra's Big World of Flavor. Do the same for her. And why not? Take this journey with us. Alright, y'all. We're here now to grab a bite. I know I just covered y'all all the way up. But we're here to grab a bite, and you see who's beside me. Grab a quick bite, and then we're just going to go back and relax until it's time for us to get up. And my earpiece ain't even in my ear right. Then get up and go on to the airport, y'all. Then take y'all with us. So hopefully y'all riding with us every step of the way. Alright, see y'all in a few. Alright, y'all, we got our meal. I'm going to show it to y'all from Tyra's phone. Sure is. But now I'm just basically just playing good and toasted. You want mustard too, right? I just figured out I really love mustard.
Yeah. Oh wait, no, I don't want mustard. Or bar. On my half, just.
You want ketchup?
Yeah.
And I'm going to have to open it back up.
I don't gotta have mustard on my. I like a lot of mayonnaise.
It's real hard. Too hard. Real hard. Get off.
I always like that song with Jay-Z, where the soul is ready.
Yeah.
That's your plate right here.
Okay. You want any no ketchup for your fries?
No, where?
I need some ranch for my Oh yeah, this is my burger. What we did was we bought a burger plate and wings, and we just split the wings
And the burger.
and the burger. Get that celery. I really can't see all my food, huh? Oh, you ain't had a burger yet? Which one you ate first? Buffalo? Let me try it.
You can use more sauce.
Really? Is it spicy?
I like my wings saucy. That's a little bit of kick.
Lord, thank you for the food that we're about to see. Customary drive-by to these words as and your son used to send me for amen. Hey y'all. Shot you on the back. They're good though. It's real hard. If it's real hard, it's in the back. Is it real hard? Right here, over there. You feel it, real down after. But they fries are good too. They're good too. These fries are delicious.
I'm starting to like fries a lot.
Really? But you don't put nothing on yours.
If I don't have ranch. And look, McDonald's fries I'll put it on.
Good burger. That burger's good. Yeah, I'm complaining about gravy.
You know why you complain about hard bread when you claim you don't want your bread soggy?
But I ain't want it so hard with a can my gun. They don't get a read. Should have asked that. You know? Vitamin chicken did that's good. Salmon.
I'm fighting and I want to cook out my hand. My reflex goes.
Alright, y'all. I ain't gonna keep y'all here while I'm eating. Not today.
Let me get napkins.
You have to strategize for the rest of the week. We don't want nobody here. So we'll be back.
Why not? Why not?
Kick. Hey.
Why not? And it's your pretty lady.
That means some true competition.
Everybody shake your baby.
Why